Lesson 11.6, Areas of Regular Polygons. Now that we know how to find the area of a triangle, that would be 1/2 base times height, we can find the area of any polygon since it can be broken up into triangles. For example, the area of a stop sign. Well, that's an octagon. If I draw all the diagonals, look at that, it's a bunch of triangles. Find the area of the triangles, I need the heights. So let's draw the heights. So if I find the area of those triangles, add them together. I have the whole thing. I'm going to call the height A for Apothem. And the base of each triangle would be the length of a side. So that's S, that's A. And so that would, if I use 1/2 base times height, 1/2 A times S, I get that triangle. Multiply that by the number of those triangles, the number of sides. We'll have 1/2 A times S times the number of sides. Oh, but wait, the length of the side times the number of sides is the perimeter. So our area is 1/2 the perimeter times the apothem. The apothem is a segment drawn from the center of a regular polygon perpendicular to the edge. It also bisects the edge. And so the area of a regular polygon is 1/2 PA, where P is the perimeter and A is the apothem. Some typical steps to find the area of a regular polygon. Usually we need to find 1/2 of the central angle. So if we want to find, say, that triangle, we're going to need to know probably this angle there. That essential angle would go all the way across. We want half of it. So that would be 1/2 of 360 all the way around divided by the number of sides. Or if you like, 360 divided by 2n. Then you use trigonometry to find your apothem, like you'd use tangent or sine or cosine. Or maybe if you know the apothem, you'd have to use trigonometry to find the length of a side. And then the area is 1/2 PA. So let's do a few examples. Find the area of the regular polygon. Well, looking here, the 6.5, that's my apothem. I don't know the length of a side, though. So I need to start by finding the length of the side. Since I have a right triangle drawn there, I could use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared, the 6.5, plus B squared, which we'll call x right there, equals 8 squared, the hypotenuse. Do the squarings. Subtract the 42.25 and take a square root. So the length of my side is approximately, or length of half the side is approximately 4.6637. The whole side is 2 of those. So I'm going to multiply it by 2 to get the length of a side. And then the perimeter is going to be the length of a side times by the number of sides. There are 5 sides. So that'll be my perimeter. So it's 1/2 the perimeter times the apothem. It's the length of a side times the number of sides. So our area is approximately 151.6. Boy, this one's more interesting. All I know is the length of the side. So I can draw this little right triangle. The bottom of it here is half the length of the side, the 3.5. It is a right triangle. So to find the apothem, I need to start by finding 1/2 of the central angle. That's 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. There are 10 sides, and that'll give me this angle right here. So it's 18 degrees. So I know this is 18 degrees. All right, now to find the apothem. Oh, wait, from the 18, I know the opposite side is 3.5, and I know the adjacent side is the A. Opposite and adjacent is tangent. So I can say tangent of my angle is the opposite over the adjacent. Multiply both sides by A, and divide by the tangent of 18, and A turns out to be about 10.7719. Oh, hey, now we know everything. Our area, okay, our perimeter is the length of each side times the number of sides, so that would be 7 times 10, or 70. So this is our perimeter, S times N, times the apothem. And so our area is about 377.0. All right, here's a hexagon. Let's say it's regular. I know it doesn't quite look regular, but let's say it's a regular hexagon. Oh, hey, wait, we're all the same lengths. All right, draw this little triangle. Since the whole side is 12, I know this little part right there is 6, and I know it makes a right angle. All right, half the side is 6. So to find the central angle up here, it's 360 divided by the number of sides times a half, which gives us 30 degrees. So I know this angle is 30 degrees. And now, oh, hey, I know the opposite, and A is the adjacent. Opposite and adjacent is tangent. So tangent of the angle is the opposite over the adjacent. Multiply both sides by A, divide by the tangent of 30, and A is approximately 10.3923. Our area is our 1/2 of PA. Our perimeter is going to be the length of a side times the number of sides, or 12 times 6. So that's just our sides times number of sides. That's our perimeter times the apothem. 1/2 perimeter times apothem. 374.1230. Would probably say 374.1.